This video that you're watching right now was 100% edited using AI. Well, let me explain. For years, I've been making content, and the one bottleneck that I've had was the bridge in between my creativity and the produced outcome. And the bottleneck typically sat around like my ability to use editing software, digging into different menus, understanding what different terms mean in order to then like edit the way that I had envisioned on editing, or to replicate something that a different creator has edited. This edited me like watching different YouTube videos, different courses, but I thought, if I can just say exactly how I want a video to be edited, it should get edited that way. And we're at a point with AI where that is the case, and that can actually be built right now. So I'll give you an example. This video is being filmed outside with a whole bunch of different ambient noise, and I'm actually gonna add some more. And despite the fact that the song is playing, I'm still using AI to isolate my voice. And this was done with just one prompt. Zero technical skill at all. You have sirens right now, but it doesn't matter.